Guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at Bedstep, the retractable bumper step from AAM Research on the Keys to Ride Ram 1500. This accessory is a true time saver and makes unloading or loading your pickup much easier. The Bedstep mounts just under the rear bumper of your truck for easier access to the bed or cargo. AAM Research also makes a similar product that mounts just behind the cab. The Bedstep bumper step is made from durable aluminum alloy components and it's load rated up to 300 pounds. It features stainless steel pivot pins, which is what gives you that super solid stability when stepping up or down. It also has a non-slip grip surface and self-lubricating bushings for the ultimate performance in all weather conditions. This step is topped with a black powder-coated finish to prevent corrosion. The retractable bumper step is easy to use. It quickly flips down when needed and is easily folded back up when not. The installation is pretty straightforward, so we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about 30 minutes to complete it. The Bedstep from AAM Research is made in the USA and features a 3-year limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Bedstep from AAM Research. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.